Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Finecare FIA Cardiac Troponin Rapid Quantitative Test. So guys, as you can see, this is the top and the front view of the kit. So let me show you the details. As you can see, this is the Finecare cTnI Rapid Quantitative Test for Finecare FIA System use only. And you can see this is the catalog number W203. You can see it has an manufacturing and the expiry date of standard 2 years. It has an operational temperature of 4 to 30 degrees Celsius. And as you can see, this kit contains test cartridges 25 with each sealed pouch desiccators and 25 numbers of detection buffer. Then we have the pipetting system. Then we have the IC chip. Then we have the instructions for use. So let me show you the sides. As you can see, this is a C certified IVD product. It is certified in Belgium, and you can see the manufacturing address over here. It is manufactured by Wondfo, China. And okay guys, let me open this kit for you. So as you can see, on the top we have the IFU brochure for the Wondfo Finecare kit. So as you can see, this is the Finecare cTnI Rapid Quantitative Test IFU brochure. So then we have the pipette tips, the 25 pipette tips. Then we have the IC chip for the cTnI cartridge. So let me keep this here. Then we have the detection tubes. As you can see, this is the Finecare cTnI Rapid Quantitative Test detection buffers. So let me keep this over here. Then we have the test cartridges. As you can see, this is the Finecare cTnI Rapid Quantitative Test cartridges. You can see the manufacturing and the expiry date. It has a shelf life of 2 years. And at the back side you can see the manufacturing address, the Wondfo China address. And as you can see, this is nicely packed, so free from all the contaminants, both dust and water resistant. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of the Wondfo Finecare cTnI Rapid Quantitative Test. So as you can see, this comes with the cTnI IFU brochure, the pipette tips, then we have the detection buffer, then we have the cTnI ID chip, then we have 25 individual cTnI Rapid Quantitative Test cartridges. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of Finecare cTnI Rapid Quantitative Test. Thank you.